pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. And once you pretty much open up VPN application, it will ask for connection requests. Upon OK, we'll start connecting in no time. As you can see here, pretty much connected, and you only get 5 minutes of connection time, which is very bad. I've reviewed so much VPN similar to this here. We do get only 4 minutes of connection time, which doesn't make any sense. As well, you can go this option here to select servers. As you can see here, those USA servers. So it's not that fast. As I said before, guys, I've reviewed a bunch of these VPN applications, which is pretty much the same. Only difference is that they do have a different name, and they pretty much have just name alone and different layout. That's pretty much it. And as you can see here, they often doesn't give you a lot of connection time. So and the VPN is as well not as fast as it should be. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this. Once you're connected, be able to check your speed. Nothing much. As you can see, you can go ahead and disconnect it. So that's pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know. Comment section, or if you need any assistance as it relates to this VPN application here, comment below as well. See you in the next.